Saurabh, you are at the Singhu border. What is the mood? What is the sentiment there?
Right now, I'm at Singhu border, as you are telling. So you can see these were the barricades, the concrete barricades, which were removed by protesters from the farmers yesterday, and they marched towards Outer Ring Road. But now, today, picture is different than yesterday. You see, there is farmers have returned back to Singhu border, and I can see deployment of Delhi police again over here. Several companies of Delhi police and paramilitary forces, CRPF and BSF personnel are also deployed here. Today at 10 a.m., Rishika, these farmer leaders, 32 farmer leaders from Punjab, they are going to come to the stage and they are going to address these farmers and tell the future course of action, as these farmer unions yesterday distanced themselves from the violence which occurred in Delhi and at Lal Killa as well. So they are saying that after that address to these farmers, then there is going to be a meeting of these Punjab farm unions, and then they might address media as well. But we have to wait for that. Internet is suspended in several parts of outer Delhi. It's in Haryana, Sonipat, Panipat, Jhajjar districts. So as if now, you can see things are getting back to normal. You can see deployment again. After yesterday, we didn't see any deployment at Singhu border when they removed these barricades. Then when they breached these barricades, police personnel left. But today, they are back here. And at 10 a.m., these farmer leaders are going to be on stage and they are going to address these farmers. And one thing is very clear, these farmer leaders are saying that they are going to continue their protest peacefully on Tikri, Singhu and at Ghazipur border. But yes, after yesterday's violence, which is very much clear that there is several farmer leaders which are not aligned with the line of Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. Satnam Singh Pannu, Sarwan Singh Pandher, will there is going to be any action against these farmer leaders?
Yes.
We have to wait for that. But at 10 a.m., these farmer leaders are going to be on stage and they are going to address these farmers.
So, an important meeting at 10 o'clock, but sort of very important at the moment for, a right message to be sent out. Because like we've been saying, many say that what has been a historic farmers movement, a protest that has actually given the farmers a national platform, a voice, has in a certain sense been discredited and damaged after yesterday's violence and vandalism.
Absolutely, Rishika. That is the main concern of these farmer leaders. We have seen Dr. Yogendra Yadav yesterday. He has been appealing that farmers should return, they should come back to respective borders, their tractor march should be peaceful. But yesterday, the sentiments and emotions were so high that farmer did not listen. I was at Mukarba Chowk. Satnam Singh Pannu group breached the barricades there, and then thousands of farmers followed the first group which breached the barricades, and they reached to Outer Ring Road and then to ITU and then to Lal Killa. So absolutely, after yesterday's incident, this whole protest has been discredited badly. Now the biggest challenge in front of these farmer leaders is to do image makeover, what happened yesterday.
Yes.
So they are blaming Deep Sandhu and Deep Sidhu for all this chaos. But what is going to be their strategy? Are they going to write to Union government to begin the talks again? Will government accept their proposal? We have to wait for that. But 10 a.m. meeting is to be very crucial. We have to see what these farmer leaders have to say to the farmers which are sitting quietly and peacefully over here from last 60 days. They are saying they are blaming. They are saying that there were some infringe elements which penetrated in this protest, and they did. They said they indulged in the violence which happened yesterday in Delhi.
Just to clarify, for the benefit of our viewers, farmers are back at Delhi's borders in the same numbers?
Absolutely.
It's status quo?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely, Rishika. Farmers are back to Singhu and Tikri border.
All right.